Does my phone says authentication failed using the fake version? Hello. Can you hear me, Prasad?
So Priyanka, this one is not working, right? So morning it is working.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, working for other user. So that Curtis PT, this is the user. So
Okay.
it worked fine in the morning. Yeah, it is working fine for Curtis PT user. So let me go for let me go there and change the password. So we can do that in that way.
Okay.
So we have the Cassie Brown, right? So you are able to see my screen, right? So it's the Cassie
Yeah.
Brown. So let me change the password for this. Cassie Brown. So what I can do is so create implementation
So it's the
project.
same. So even here we go for implementation user and the same.
Yeah. The same thing. So go to the implementation users. So let me start the recording. Yeah. So go. You can go to the implementation users. I think ours is it's Kelvin Roth, right? Kelvin Roth, I think. So that is the SCM user. Roth Kelvin or
CAN.
yeah. CAL, right? Correct. CALVAN, Kelvin Roth, Kelvin Roth. So then in that case, what we can do is let me change the password. You can do that because maybe some people may change the password, reset the password,
Mm-hmm.
and we can use this reset password. And this is the user Calvin Roth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we can use this user Calvin Roth. Okay, fine. So now, so let me log out. Let me log out, and here also we can log out. Yeah, now it is asking to change the password. So I'm just changing the password. Submit. I think now you can use Priyanka. So you can use with can you please try now Calvin Rock?
Yeah. Mm.
So you can try with the Calvin Rock. This is this one. Okay.
The same password, right?
Yeah. Password is same. Password is not changed. So this one only. Okay. So now we will be in our user. Calvin Rock is for
Now it is
right SCM and
yeah.
Curtis 80 for HR. So now it is working, right? Fine, good.
Yeah.
So what I can do is I will share the same thing in the mail. Okay, so let me unshare and I will do that right now because you will also get it.
Mm.
Yeah, already. Page and access details. Okay, I just sent. Yeah, I just sent you and okay. So let us continue with the setups that we need to do that. So now manage life cycle. So this was a topic so we were discussing, right, Priyanka? I think so.
Yeah, Prakash.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
fine. Okay. So manage that. So select the procurement. The procurement is the offering. So you can say that these are all the offerings, and select the offering and manage life cycle pages. Select this one, and this one is not active. It is not showing active. So in that case, what we can do is we can select the. So go to the setup, and we can select the other offering. So this other offering means so you can go for the manufacturing or manage material management and logistics. So this is also one offering. No task defined. And let me go to the other one. So it is product management. Also, it's not there. Okay. Manage life cycle. So procurement also. Procurement we are not getting. It is showing it's not getting anywhere. Let me go to the setup or maintenance. So let me select number. Sorry. So if you go for the provision, so it is provision, it is for all. So it is provision for all. White color, huh? White color. Yeah. So compensation, customer data, and grants, manufacturing. Manufacturing we are not getting. Marketing, material management. Here we are not getting. Not in the order management. Procurement. Product management also we are not getting. So in that case, what we can do is so let me check the roles and then so let me check the roles for this user. So otherwise manage item classes also. So manage item classes. Okay, so item class is fine, but product life cycle, so it is having issue. Okay, anyhow, let me go to the implementation. Create implementation project. Create implementation users. Click on administration. So here Calvin dot. So you can check the roles here. Click here and then you can check the roles. So here he should be implementation consultant. Sorry, application implementation administrator is there. Application implementation consultant. So it's not there. Okay. So IT security manager is there. IT security manager, employee, and application implementation consultant. So these are all the main roles. Employee. So let me assign that application implementation consultant. You take the consultant or manager. Usually, so we have three roles, main roles. So one is employee. By default, you will get it, and IT security manager, and then application implementation consultant. So these are all the main roles. Okay. So now we can go to the application implementation. You can check it. Consultant manager. That's fine. So now what we can do is whenever you assign any kind of a role, then you need to run role synchronization process. Run user and role synchronization process. Run user and role synchronization process. You need to run this program. So just select it and submit. Click on OK. Fine. So now what we can do is, so let me log out and log in. So it's kind of a refreshment. Click on sign in. Fine. Here what we can do is, we can go to setup and maintenance. So now let me give the manage item classes. Manage item classes. It's having the same issue. Just 1 minute please. Actually we have one more instance. So let me check it whether we can. So this is for only HCM. So let me check for other financials as well. So manage calendar. Accounting calendar, accounting metrics. Okay. It is freeze it for something. So there is one user set SCM IMPL. In that we were able to do everything, right? SCM IMPL. Create implementation. Click on administration. Select SCM IMPL. So let me reset password for this. Confirm and reset password. Okay. So email. So while changing password, email attribute of user of manager first be set if you want to send an email notification. But here if you don't want,
I think
yeah, email notification, right?
that's
Yeah, you can uncheck, right? So we can uncheck. But here there is correct. We can uncheck, correct. Okay. So let me log out. So here also we can log out. So I'm just copying. So now it's fine. So we can use this one as well, but let me check whether the setups are working fine or not. So you can go for the product side. So let me go for the product. Yeah, for this it is working fine. Yeah, so let me select manage life cycle. Maybe so it is restricted. Okay, so now it is working fine. So Priyanka, what we can do is, so you can see, you can go through this one. Okay, SCM you can use the same password. So now it is fine. Rather than Calvin dot SCM So this is working fine.
The same password.
Yeah, the same password. So yeah, the same password. You can use the same password. You can use the same password. You can do that. So today let me create so a life cycle. So at least let us do one or two setups today. So let me create a life cycle. So this one is sequence number. You can take one, and I am giving the AMD. Wherever possible, I am taking the AMD. Okay, but for the that multi-arc structure, which is that business unit, we can take the seed data because every time we can't create again and again. We will take the seed data. So AMD, the life cycle phase. Okay, then I can use. So let me take the design phase. Design phase. Okay. So then you can go for the save. So enter only alpha numeric or only R underscore characters. Okay.
Is it actually screen is stuck at notepad itself?
Sorry, you are not able to see screen.
No, no, it is stuck at notepad. The user ID password, whatever you have, is just stuck there, and I cannot see the form. Can you unshare and share it again?
Oh, you are not able to see anything. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So now you are still in the notepad, right? You are saying.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now you are able to see the application.
No, no, still notepad.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm able to see this one.
So manage life cycles. You are able to see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So actually, it is giving some error. So then let me take manage. Uh, so this one fine. So manage life cycles. I can take the manage life cycles, and the code is AMD 1234. Okay, then save. Save and close. So now you are able to see this one, right? Manage life cycles also, right? I am in the
Yeah,
same.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, save and close. Fine.
So basically, why we use this manage life cycle? Okay.
So it's a manage life cycle. So you can see. So if you go to the manage cycle, you can see the how the pages are. You can mention. So the life cycles of the product. So while it is a design mode or production mode. So in that. So what kind of cycle it is.
Okay,
So is it in a design cycle or in a production cycle or productions or prototype? So pre-production. So there is pre-production, production, and design phase. So these are the different pages. You can also create your own
Oh,
pages. So we can have one life cycle for that.
okay.
So let me create manage item classes. Okay. So item classes, manage item classes. So it is item class. Click on manage item classes. I think it is showing some other window. Let us check that. Still running. And here we have the product information management. So next we will go for the product information management. In that, so we can create the item. So on the left side, so navigator. So once we create the item class, then we can go for the item for this thing.
So in this, what is created to item class, it is fine.
Yeah, item class is so we need to segregate the items. We need to classify the items. So that is the item class.
Yeah, it is nothing but type. We
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah,
segregate
yeah,
the.
yeah, yeah. Correct. Item type. Yeah. I think it is server access or refreshing. But compared to EBS, what I can say it is very simple only. But main thing is just we need to practice and we need to be patient with the server. So because the Oracle only maintaining the server, right? So
So before it was not the case, Prashad. I mean earlier, means we are facing this much issue, right? Like server issue and
server issue, right? So actually maybe
yeah.
they are doing some changes, some updates. So usually, so there is a so maintenance issue. So it is so they used to do the maintenance work in the weekend. So that's why I got two servers. So anyone can work like that. Earlier also, so compared to now, so if I say 1 year back, it was very bad because that time so they were working. They were working on all the areas. So now they streamlined. So this R11 is streamlined version. So streamlined, and so it's fine compared to earlier.
Okay.
So let me go to the product. So meanwhile, so I will go to the product information management. So then we'll try to create an item with the past with the data. Okay. So then I will come back. I will do this. Manage item class. So for this, you need to go to the navigator, and the module name is product information management. So that is a module, product information management. Or so what we can do is here it is not a module, it's a kind of a role. Priyanka, you are staying in Bangalore, right? Bangalore, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually yesterday I got Safra, I think Fusion is very good in Bangalore, I think. So yesterday I got a couple of calls
Yeah.
from different
I
people.
heard
So
that.
yeah, they asked me for the corporate kind of training. So they asked me for
Oh,
5 days, 5 days, but I told them 5 days is not a possible because I need to take leave and everything, right?
yeah.
So many people are and yesterday only I called, I got two calls from different people.
Okay, I mean corporate training means you go to office and
Yeah,
train
yeah,
people.
yeah. So they are expecting that. So no, no, go to the. So there is a tie-up between the company to that corporate training institute, and then so we need to go there
You
and.
know, before I heard in some new company, it was IUS something.
Okay,
It seems it's in Hyderabad and many openings for Fusion,
okay,
especially CRM, SCM,
okay,
manufacturing, inclusion, and
okay.
Salesforce. And
Oh, yeah, yeah. So they asked me yesterday for that. So they will give the tea, travel, and accommodation, and they asked me. But so I told them if it is 1 or 2 days, I can manage for 1 week because 1 week we can't get the leave. So at a time,
yeah,
if you are in a project, because if it is in bench or nowadays
yeah,
there is no bench concept. Yeah,
actually,
it's still rotating. So can you please check from your end, Priyanka? So you can log in and go to the navigator. So click on the navigator.
okay.
So is it the same case for me, and or am I only I am experiencing, or
Uh,
so just what you can do is log in and go to the navigator, so left side, and there is one functionality called the
mm,
product information management.
okay,
Product information management. You can click on it.
it's just product management is still,
Still rotating for you?
yeah, yeah, it is just rotating, not sure why.
Okay. So what I can do is let me close all.
Okay,
So just a minute, please.
yeah.
I think still it is refreshing for you, right? Priyanka?
Yeah, it is still refreshing. Yeah, yeah, it's
Okay.
same.
Okay. So here I am able to see that item class. Item class I am able to. Okay. So let me select item class. Okay.
Okay.
So we can create the item class. So I am creating AMD item class. Maybe it should not take this much time. ATM item class. And
After this, can we continue tomorrow, Prasad?
sorry, sorry, sorry.
Then after this setup, we will continue tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure,
Tomorrow,
sure. Yeah, 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 sure. Yeah. So we can continue tomorrow itself. So we had taken this one. That's fine. So we had created the item class as well. Item class. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so then so let us meet tomorrow. Just just
yeah, yeah, sure.
1 minute, please. So because I don't know now it is up or not. So then we can go for product information management.
Okay.
So yeah. So this is thing. Maybe server issue or I don't know. Yeah. So now, so this one create item. So this create item we can check later. I think. So let me
Yeah,
see. If we
sure.
have 2 minutes time, then we can do. But so tomorrow we'll check that. So create item. We will check tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Prasad.
Okay. Okay. హలో శ్రీమాన్ డ్రైవింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను సారీ చెప్పండి. కంప్లీట్ అయితే ఎందుకంటే కరెక్ట్ గా మనకి మన అంటారు కదా ఒంగోలు దగ్గర రెండు వచ్చారు. నేను మళ్ళీ నువ్వు చెప్పిన తర్వాత చెప్తే ఆల్రెడీ చాలా తిన్నాం కదా ఎందుకులే బాగానే ఉన్నాయి అని చెప్పి అన్నారు నా మిస్సెస్. అదే మనకి తీసుకుందానని చెప్పాను మరి అది ఎక్కువ రేట్ అయితే అది వాళ్ళు కూడా ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ కాపు లేదు కదా లాస్ట్ కదా అందుకని కావాలి. అంటే ఇక అంతా డిమాండ్ సప్లై ఎందుకంటే డిమాండ్ ఉంది సప్లై తగ్గింది. అదే అది కాయలు లేవు అవును. అదే ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ నెక్స్ట్ వీకా ఈ వీకా ఓకే ఓకే అదే అదే సరే సరే ఓకే. మనకి ఏం లేదు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మీరు ఇచ్చినట్టు బాగానే ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఇంకా మనకి 5 కాయలు ఉన్నాయి. ఈసారి ఇంకో పురుగుల పురుగులకు అంటే వాళ్ళు అయితే ఆపేస్తారు ఇది ఆపేస్తారు 10 గంటలకు రావాలి.